Namo Namaha Mitras. Thank you. You did it. I fold my hands to you for the great love showered upon me. Yes, VSPT 1080 channel, the inner chamber. The victory bells ring now. 1000 subscribers and double number watch time. The first goal achieved. Yes, VSP 1080 channel upon our loving YouTube. Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to VSP 1080 channel. Thank you for making this a very big success. Now, this is Mahaprasadam, a beautiful video which is going to tell you the beautiful, powerful methodology of offering food to the deities and making it prasad, Mahaprasadam. Experience the life energies from your own puja mandir. Mahaprasadam. First, you can experience the difference all by yourself and feel the immense divine energies. Learned priests and many devotees know the elaborate procedure of offering Nivedan through Gayatri Mantra. Pranaya Swaha, Vyanaya Swaha, Sumanaya Swaha. This is the elaborate methodology. We are not discussing about it. This is an easy, powerful method of offering Naivedyam, Bhog, Nivedan to the deity in your puja mandir or altar to experience the energy of the holy offering, Mahaprasadam. Appease the deity and receive the immense grace the right way with the secret mudras. Being busy with several activities, people don't find time how to offer a Nivedan to God. Even if you are unable to cook food when you are rushing to your office, you can even place a small jaggery piece before God and adopt this wonderful secret procedure. Offer Nivedan Bhog to the deity with Amritangi Mudra and see the miracle. We are not talking about the Upachara Pujas like Dwadasha Upachara Pujas or Shodasha Upachara Pujas. Upgrade yourself to the higher ritualistic patterns of puja. A shortcut, very efficient, very powerful. You can feel the vibrations. Clairvoyants can even feel the color explosion. Faith answers. This is for the highest good. Do it with love and devotion. Welcome to the inside chamber of VSP 1080 channel. You may not be able to do the entire Upachara Puja like Avahayami, Asanam Samarpayami, Hastau Prakshalayami, Padau Prakshalayami, Geetam Shravayami, Nrutyam Pradarshayami, Andolikan Arohayami. All this are the elaborate, traditional, ritualistic patterns. But this is for people who are quite busy. You want to do it fast and enjoy. But this is highly powerful, very efficient. It is equal to the entire Upachara Puja. Soon after the regular Upachara Puja, here whatever seva you do, light a first, take a beautiful bath and light a lamp at your altar. Then you have invoked the power by some sloka. If it is Ganapati, you can say Gam Ganapatiye Namaha. If it is Shiva, you can say Om Namah Shivaya. If it is Vishnu, you can say Om Namo Narayanaya. If it is any god or goddess, just chant their name. The best thing is, fold your hands reverently, invoke the god in your heart, and just say, please come. That is Avahayami. After a while, at home, in the right way to appease the deity, and the food offered becomes sacred prasadam, Mahaprasadam, and you'll be amazed with the never before delicious taste. We know very well, tamarind rice, curd rice, or anything. It could be payasam, kheer, or any sweet, or any snack, cleanly, neatly prepared for yourself. When it is offered to God, it becomes divine and it is prasad. That is why the same tamarind rice which you can prepare at home appears very normal, but if you take or buy prasad in a temple, it is so tasty and delicious. It is because the vibrations are touched by the deity and it is energized. Understand the secret now. It is very important that the food prepared for the offering is done in a pious methodology. Take bath chanting Suchihi, 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 Ganga Jalodaka Snana Phalam Dehi. Simple. Suchihi, 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 Ganga Jalodaka Snana Phalam Dehi. Suchihi, 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 Ganga Jalodaka Snana Phalam Dehi. You can do it all along while you are having a shower, or when you are just pouring the last tumbler of water upon your head, you can chant this mantra. Let no one, even your own family members, see this entire process while it is being cooked or being prepared. That's very important. Even the aroma of the cooking should not be smelt, hence cover your face while preparing. If someone enjoys the aroma and his mouth waters, it's gone. Cover your face while preparing. Wrap a cloth. The food prepared should be covered with a lid or a banana leaf. If the preparations are seen by someone else, if someone's mouth waters, the preparations will not be accepted or considered for bhog or nivedan. Trust me. Whoever is attracted to the dishes, whoever feels the rush of saliva, shall be deemed as tasted it. Food once tasted cannot be prasadam at all. Oh, if you are a Shabari or a Kannappa, no comment. If you are given mudras, receive it with love. Whatever be your feeling while you are receiving the mudra, it is activated. So please don't enter into the mantra, tantra, yantra world without the basic faith. You can be far away from this entire situation. You can avoid all this. Only if you have faith, this works. Agrani Mudra. Receive it with love and grace. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Hram Hrim Hraum Sahasuryaya Namaha. Gruni Surya Aditya Om. Gruni Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om. Think of your Gurudev and say, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Remember this, receiving any mantra, either facing north or east, is for the highest good. So, do it in this way. Do it with devotion and you will be amazed. The holy prasadam will be so tasty and you will be energized. Receive the wonderful, powerful, secret Agrani Mudra. senior most sadhaks and mitras know the secret of mudras. Mudras are of two types. One is Likhita Mudra, the other is Darshaniya Mudra. Likhita Mudras are called symbols in other systems. We call it as Mudra Chihnas, Mudras and Mudra Chihnas. Mudras or Darshita Mudras or the Mudras which are performed by gestures of your hand. Now, this is the Agrani Likhita Mudra. Draw the mudra which is displayed here, a circle with 5 rounded petals. Draw the secret Agrani Mudra Chihna as above with rice powder or turmeric powder upon the floor before the altar or puja mandir or the photograph of the god which you have, and inscribe Om Bijakshara in the center, followed by Yam, Yam, Vam, Swaha in the 5 petals form as illustrated above. Quickly perform the highly powerful Amrutangi Mudra by holding the left thumb inside the fist and placing it upon your chest, chanting Om, Yam, Yam, Vam, Swaha 3 times. I am coming again to tell you how to perform this mudra, Amrutangi Mudra. Just put your left thumb inside your palm and close with the other 4 fingers like a tight fist. Now place this upon your chest. Your left hand with the thumb inside is upon your chest. It is the first part of the Mudra Amrutangi. Now chant Om Yam Yam Vam Swaha. Om Yam Yam Vam Swaha. Om Yam Yam Vam Swaha. The second part is the chanting which is over. Now touch the tip of your right palm to the base of your right ring finger and move the right palm towards the deity, chanting slowly Amrutam iti swaha, 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 Amrutam iti swaha. While chanting, to see very powerful results, visualize that the deity is accepting it and tasting it. You should be able to visualize the lively form of the deity. This is a part of elaborate Manasika Puja. All along take care no one else sees the prasadam and that your mouth and nose are masked with a cloth so that your mouth doesn't water. Close the puja mandir for few minutes or leave the premises for few minutes undisturbed. Now I am explaining it to you for your ease. Very simple, remember. Draw the secret Agrani Mudra Chihna, the symbol as above, with rice powder or turmeric powder upon the floor before the altar or puja mandir and inscribe Om Bijakshara in the center, followed by Yam, Yam, Vam, Swaha. You need not bother about the order of the petals, but the order of the Bijaksharas should be the same as explained here. And then immediately perform the Amrutangi Mudra. How do you do the Amrutangi Mudra? It is very simple. I have explained you, and the symbols are given here. It is displayed. See it. Hold your left thumb inside the fist and placing it upon your chest, chant Om Yam Yam Vam Swaha 3 times. Now, touch the tip of your right palm to the base of your right ring finger. Now, move the right palm towards the deity with devotion, chanting slowly Amrutam iti Swaha 7 times. You may or may not sprinkle water upon this. It comes included. All along, take care that no one smells the dishes. Close the puja mandir for few minutes or leave the premises for few minutes undisturbed. Allow the deity to taste the prasad which you have offered. Now the prasadam is ready to taste like the amrutam. Remember, always distribute prasadam to others before you taste. Very powerful Nivedana method revealed here. Trust me, Digvijayi Bhava.